slippers. Oh my god. I know what it is. I really know what it is. I know what it is. I really know what it is. It's a great big. So what I'm going to do is open it right here. Open it. Oh my god. Ah. Oh my. Oh my god. I'm gonna save that for a minute. Okay, this is from oh my god, I'm excited. A 20 tour live from Croke Park CD/DVD. The CD DVD was £16.99, and the thing in here cost £10, 1p. So altogether, that's including shipping, it was £30.95. So it's not bad for Westlife lads. The shipping was £3.95. So yeah, it's not bad. I'm gonna get into this. Fuck all the noise, just get it all. There we go, and here we are. Oh wow! Then open this shit. Wow. Whoa. Okay, so this is what the Westlife CD DVD live from Croke Park, 5th of July, I think. Yeah. Or 6th? I can't remember. I think it was 6th. That was when it was live. 6th of July. And it's like a really shiny little package. It's got all the songs on the back right there. Celebration of one of pop's most sensational comebacks, filmed at their homecoming gig in summer 2019. This spectacular live show features Shane, Nicky, Mark and Kian at their very best, performing their greatest hits to the backdrop of iconic Croke Park Stadium in Dublin, Ireland. Includes the incredible performances of all their hit singles, including Uptown Girl, You Raised Me Up, Flying Out Wings, World of Our Own, along with brand new singles Hello My Love, Better Man, Dynamite, to a sellout crowd with spectacular staging, lights and effects. So on the DVD you've got all of them, and on the CD got all of them too. So you open it up. Wow, that is wicked. Got Nicky there, got a little Mark, Shane and Keaton. And here you have the CD, and here you have the DVD. Wow. Oh wow. The faces. Oh, they were cool. Oh wow, the back. Okay. Yeah. Wow, look at all them lights there. Wow. This is absolutely wicked. It's so freaking cool. Westlife has done a good job with that. Definitely. And on to the surprise. Okay, so this is a surprise thing. I see Nikki on Instagram, checking out Nikki Burnt a Fish. He was signing the thing what I'm going to show you right now. Okay, you ready? Oh wow. Bloody hell. Oh my god. This is the signed poster of Westlife. Oh my god. This is Nikki's signature. I'm so excited. I can't speak. Oh my god. This is so cool. This is... Oh my god. I've been the longest fan of Westlife since like 2006. Oh my god. Over 10 years. And this is going up on my wall or even back here. Oh my god. This is so cool. I think I'm in awe of it. You can see the original autographs because you can tell when they're shiny. So these are shiny. So yeah, that's the autograph. I think it's A3 one, yeah. 20 years of hits. Wow, this is absolutely wicked. So yeah, it came in this great big thing. So yeah. Wow. This coupled up with this has made my day. It's from a bad, stressful, angry, fucking irritating morning to a lovely surprise from Westlife. So yeah, that is my yeah, I like it. £30 out, £5 well spent. £10 for the autograph, and wow, this I'm definitely gonna watch today or tomorrow. Oh wow, this is cool. Okay, thank you for joining. Don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel. Like this video if you like Westlife, and I'll see you in the will it be a second one of these? I don't know. Let's have a look, shall we? This is I've got two. Oh my god, I've got two. Okay. I'm grateful. Wow. I didn't order two, but I got this free. Oh my god. Well, okay. I must feel special. Westlife are my favourite group of all time, and I've got a free autograph poster. Oh my god. Thank you, Westlife. Wow. I'm, I'm, I'm sorry for all the Westlife fans out there, but I feel special because I've got two. So you win some, you lose some. So